Hello friends, today we will learn about noise pollution. So this is one of the simple topic of BSc final year. So let us see what is noise pollution. Noise pollution is the unwanted or excessive sound which brings irritation. It affects human health and environmental quality. Noise is unwanted sound which has unpleasant effect and discomfort to ears. Generally, sound generated by vehicles, horns, loudspeakers, planes, constructions, etc. are the reasons of noise pollution. Noise pollution is measured in decibel. Normally, sound above 85 decibel are harmful. So, here we can see one instrument which can measure noise. So, above 85, that is truck, the sound of truck, the sound of hair dryer, the sound of helicopter, the sound of police siren, the sound of jet engine, if it is continuous, then it can harmful for the ears and health. So let us see various causes of noise pollution. Number 1, industrialization. Number 2, poor urban planning. Number 3, social events. Number 4, transportation. Number 5, construction activities. Number 6, household gadgets. So these are some causes for noise pollution. So let us see one by one in details. First is industrialization. Most of the industries use big machines and equipment like compressor, generator, exhaust fan, grinding mills, which produce big noise. So this is one of the reason for noise pollution. Second is poor urban planning. So poor urban planning can produce noise. Congested houses, large families sharing small space, fight over parking, frequent fights over basic amenities leads to noise pollution. Third is social events. Social events like marriages, parties, pub, disco may be responsible for noise. People play songs on full volume and dance till midnight, which is responsible for noise pollution. So number 4 is transportation. A large number of vehicles on roads, airplanes flying over houses, underground trains produce heavy noise. So this is main reason for sound pollution. Number 5 is construction activities. Under construction activities like mining, construction of bridges, dams, buildings, station, roads, flyover produce noise, which is again main reason for the noise pollution. Number 6 is household gadgets. Gadgets like TV, mobile, mixer grinder, pressure cooker, vacuum cleaner, washing machine and dryers, coolers produce noise. So these are some reasons for noise pollution. Now let us see effects of noise pollution. So first is on human health. Number 1, interfere with man's communication. In a noisy area, communication brings two peoples is severely affected. That means noise can disturb the communication between two peoples. Second is hearing damage. Noise can cause temporary or permanent hearing loss. So the main effect of noise pollution is on ears, which can cause temporary or permanent hearing loss. Third is physiological and psychological changes. So continuous exposure to noise affect the functioning of various systems of the body. It may result in hypertension, insomnia, that is sleeplessness, gastrointestinal and digestive disorders, peptic ulcer, blood pressure changes, behavioral changes, and emotional changes, etc. So besides the effect of noise pollution on human health, it also affect on wildlife and marine life. Thousands of oil drills, sonars, seismic survey devices, coastal recreational watercraft and shipping vessels are now populating our water, and that is a serious cause of noise pollution for marine life. Whales are amongst the most affected as their hearing helps them orient themselves, feed and communicate. Noise pollution does interfere with marine animals like whales and dolphins feeding habits, reproductive patterns and migration routes, and can even cause hemorrhage and death. Other than marine life, land animals are also affected by noise pollution in the form of traffic, firecrackers, etc. And birds are especially affected by the increased air traffic. Other than this, noise pollution also have effect on social and economic costs. Since noise pollution leads to sleep disturbance, it affects the individual's work performance during the day. It leads to hypertension and cardiovascular diseases and costs the health system additional time and money. It negatively affects school performance in children, and thus there is a significant social and economic impact. So these are some effects of noise pollution on human health, on wildlife and marine life, and on social and economic costs. Now, let us see control measures of noise pollution. So, noise pollution can be controlled by following steps. Number one, reduction in sources of noise. Sources of noise pollution like heavy vehicles and old vehicles may not allow the driving in populated area. Noise making machines should keep in containers with sound absorbing media. Proper oiling will reduce the noise from the machinery. So these are some control measures which can help in reduction of noise pollution in source of noise. Number two, use of sound absorbing silencers. Silencers can reduce noise by absorbing sound. Planting more trees having broad leaves also help in controlling noise. So this can one of the main control measures in noise pollution, that is planting more trees. Number three is through law. So strict legislative measures need to be enforced to control noise pollution. Some of these measures could be minimum use of loudspeakers and amplifiers, especially near silence zone, banning pressure horns in automobiles, and framing a separate noise pollution act. So these are some steps for controlling noise pollution. So in this video, we learn about introduction of noise pollution, various causes of noise pollution, effect of noise pollution and control measures of noise pollution. So one of the aim of preparing this video is to discuss how to write the answer of this question. If noise pollution is asked in university paper, then what could be the answer for this question? So let us discuss what to write. So if the question is asked for 1 mark, then we have to write what is noise pollution and 2 extra points related with noise pollution. For example, noise pollution is the unwanted or excessive sound which brings irritation. It affects human health and environmental qualities. Noise is unwanted sound which has unpleasant effect and discomfort to ears. So these are 3 points which is sufficient for 1 mark. You can add one cause. Generally, sound generated by vehicles, horns, loudspeakers, planes, construction, etc. are reasons of noise pollution. If you write these 4 and again 5th and 6th point, you can get definitely 1 mark. So for 1 mark, 4, 5 or 6 points are sufficient. If this question is asked for 5 marks, then what to write? So again, if the question is asked for 5 mark, you have to write all the introductory 6 points, that is definition, one main reason, again noise pollution measured in decibel and normally sound above 85 decibel are harmful. Then you must have to write various causes of noise pollution. You must choose the proper headings of the causes like industrialization, poor urban planning, social events, transportation, construction activities and household gadgets. All these points should be clearly mentioned in the answer paper and related with all this topic 1 to 2 sentences should be written in proper way. Again, effect of noise pollution. So you have to write effect of noise pollution. So on health, that is interfere with man's communication, hearing damage. Again, physiological and psychological changes. Other than this, effect on wildlife and marine life and social and economic cost. You should write all these points in a proper heading and proper way. And in last, you must write control measures of noise pollution, that is again by point wise, one reduction in source of noise, use of sound absorbing silencers, and again through laws. If you write all these points, then you should get 5 marks in this question. If you want, if the question is asked for 2.5 mark, then you must write introduction, number 2 various causes, then effect of noise pollution, and then control measures of noise pollution. So you have to write all these points, but you can reduce the length of the answer, but you must write all these points for 2.5 marks also. So this is all about noise pollution. So we will meet in next video again. Thank you.